Hi, this is Chandrasekhar. Welcome to Chandra. Next, example fifth. Verify that 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. And then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Solution. The given cubic polynomial is p of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Here a equal to x cubed coefficient 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 11, d equal to minus 3. This is the verify that p of 3 equal to the given cubic polynomial is p of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. p of 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 3 మనకు x దగ్గర 3 ఉంది కాబట్టి x దగ్గర మనం 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. 3 క్యూబ్డ్ మైనస్ 5 x ప్లస్లో 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 11 3 మైనస్ 3 ఇంటూ 3 క్యూబ్డ్ మీన్స్ 27 మైనస్ 5 into 3 square means 9. 11 3 ja 33 minus 3. 27 3 ja 81. 81 minus 5 9 ja 45 minus 33 minus 3. 81 45 को 33 8 78 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే 81 మైనస్ 81 81 నుంచి మైనస్ 81 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే 0. p of 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. నెక్స్ట్ p of x ఈక్వల్ టు the given polynomial 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Here x value is minus 1. 3 x plus లో మనం minus 1 substitute minus 1 whole cube 5 minus 1 whole square 11 minus 1 minus 3. 3 into minus 3 ని 3 times చేస్తే minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus into minus plus 11 minus 3 minus 3 5 1 ja minus 5 plus 11 minus 3 5 కు 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే 8 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే 11 minus 11 equal to 0. p of minus 1 equal to 0. Next, the given polynomial p of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Next, p of x value minus 1 by 3 equal to 3 into x plus లో minus 1 by 3 whole cubed 5 minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 11 x plus లో minus 1 by 3 minus 3 into minus 3 times చేస్తే minus 1 by 3 cubed means 27 minus 5 minus 1 by 3 ని మనం 2 times చేస్తే plus 1 3 square means 9 minus into minus plus 11 by 3 minus 3 3 1 ja 3 9 ja 1 into 1 minus 1 by 9 minus 5 into 1 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. The LCM of 9 9 3 3 3 ja 9 3 3 ja 9 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9 9 minus 1 by 9 into 9 minus 5 by 9 into 9 plus 11 by 3 into 9 minus 3 by 1 into 9. 9 and cancel, minus 1, 9 and cancel, minus 5, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, plus 11 3 ja, 33, minus 3 9 ja, 27 by 9. Plus value 33, 27 కు 5 యాడ్ చేస్తే 32, 32 కు 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే minus 33 by 9. 33, 33, 0 by 9 is 0. P of minus 1 by 3 is also 0. P of 3 equal to 0, comma, P of minus 1 equal to 0, comma, P of minus 1 by 3 is also 0. Here 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of cubic polynomial is P of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. The given cubic polynomial is P of x equal to 3x cubed minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Here the cubic polynomial from ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 11, d equal to minus 3. The zeros alpha equal to 3, beta equal to minus 1, gamma equal to minus 1 by 3. మనము ఆల్ఫా బీటా గామా అని మేము వీటిని జీరోస్ను అనుకుంటే హియర్ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ప్లస్ గామా ఈక్వల్ టు ద ఫార్ములా ఇస్ మైనస్ బి బై ఏ. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 3 ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు minus 1, gamma equal to minus 1 by 3 equal to minus b means b x square coefficient minus 5 by a means x cubed coefficient, that is 3. 3 plus into minus minus 1 plus into minus minus 1 by 3 equal to minus into minus plus 5 by 3. The LCM is 3. 3 3 ja 9 minus 3 1 ja 3 minus 1 equal to 5 by 3. 9 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 3 equal to 5 by 3. 9 నుంచి 4 subtract చేస్తే 5 by 3 equal to 5 by 3. Next, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. Alpha means 3 into beta minus 1 plus beta minus 1 into gamma minus 1 by 3 plus gamma minus 1 by 3 into alpha 3 equal to, here c means c is x coefficient minus 11 by a means x cubed coefficient 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus minus into minus plus 1 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 1 ja minus plus into minus minus equal to minus 11 by 3. The LCM of minus 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1 is 3. 3 3 ja minus 9 plus 1 minus 3 1 ja 3 equal to minus 11 by 3. Minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 plus 1 by 3 equal to minus 11 by 3. 12 నుంచి 1 subtract చేసి minus 11 by 3 equal to minus 11 by 3. Product of the zeros alpha, beta, gamma equal to minus d by a. Here alpha is 3 into minus 1 into gamma is minus 1 by 3. Here d is the constant term, the constant term is minus 3. A means x cubed coefficient is 3. 3 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 by 3. Here 3 1 jar 3 1 jar. My equal to minus into minus plus 3 by 3. 3 1 jar 3 1 jar. Minus into minus plus 1 equal to 1 by 1 is 1. This is the relationship between zeros and the coefficients.